not a fun thing.
My wife's hairdryer is getting a good workout in mine.
Good morning and welcome to another video. So we've come out to Lockyer National Park, dragged Kurtis and Mark along with us today. Now plan is we're just going to see what's out here. I want to organise a bit of a big group ride, bring a bunch of Himalayans out here, but I haven't been out here. I've heard it can be pretty hectic, so I figured grab these two because they're both far better riders with far better setups than me, and we'll see what's out here. But I should mention the bike says it's like 40 degrees. I think it's actually closer to, I don't know, 25 to be honest. And it's going to be interesting. The weather so far this week, it's rained all week, and today is mostly, well, it's cloudy, but it hasn't rained yet. So it's going to be really interesting. There's a fair bit of water on the way in, but let's cut to the tracks and see what it looks like.
Are you going up it so you can stop every now and then?
Oh yeah.
Maybe think about it.
We are off. These guys are both running Deltavix exhaust, which is pretty loud to listen to be honest, but not the worst. They just sound pretty good. So I'm just going to get rocky up here, which is fine. Here we go. Oh, slippy. Alright, you're up. Here we go. Oh, that looks so boggy and slippery. Well, I don't want to do it, but I'm going to love it. Oh, in my boots. It's in my boots. Oh, straight in the side of my boot. Alright. Himalayan side stands, man.
That's why I walked it. I've been caught before. And just go, you're going to get wet boots, fucking go for it. Lucky I did because it went through.
Oh, this is last week out at Linville.
Yeah.
That was... Yeah, that was...
It looks nice out there, though.
It was lovely.
It was beautiful. It was a lot like this, like where the tractor surprises you how nice it is, but it... Because it's not state forest, it's just private road. It's really open and farmlandy, so it's less travelling through bush.
Yep.
But yeah, the water crossings, I wouldn't want to do it this week.
No, okay.
No, not after all that rain.
No. Yeah, I know these ones are pretty much, well, I don't know about the centre, but the sides are pretty shallow.
Yeah, imagine four-wheel drives travelling through it. You can sort of see their tracks lead into it. There's probably big ruts in the centre, but if you can keep the centre line, you should be fine.
It's only a puddle.
Yeah. Bad, yeah.
I'm having a blast.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
It's nice, really.
This is pretty much the creek, I think, just there, but
Yeah.
there's not much water in it.
It's water in my boot.
Yeah, okay.
Did ya? Oh, you can.
Yeah, it just splashed straight in the side. I got new boots on the way, but until I get them.
Yeah, yeah.
Alrighty. Well, this is great fun. I'm going to turn the camera off for a bit and we'll travel a bit more and I'll pick up with you guys on the next fun obstacle. See you shortly. So what this is There's a creek that we sort of keep following and crossing multiple times. Now the question here becomes, why did I follow him down here? Mike's just going to give it a go. Thanks. Oh. Nicely done. I cannot. I would agree. I'm sure the video makes it look like I'm just rolling up a dirt road. That's a snake. Snake. Stop! Stop! Look! Back up! Go! That was a snake, like rearing its head at him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He disappeared under my bike and I was wondering where the heck.
I don't know why you stopped it.
Well, I turned around, I'm like, I can't see him, and he's rearing his head up at you. Alright, just for fairness, this means snake next time,
Yeah. I thought you were saying like I was going for this.
Yeah. I was like, what do I symbol? Fuck this is steep. It's good fun though. Yeah. After you guys. Yeah, the spider. There's running your brake booster. Yeah, you got rid of him. Alright. We are back at it again. Oh no, I'm not actually on the bike. But just cut ahead for Kurtis to do a little bit of drone footage, and it was sketchy. There was some serious rocks up here, so I'm going to track back down and watch Kurtis come up it because he's a bit behind us. But this place has been awesome fun. You've probably been listening to me rave about it all video already, but seriously, I rated out here. There is just a whole lot of, well, it's dirt, it's rocky, a little bit of sand. So far, a lot of water, but that's mainly because of all the rain. And then there's this kind of technical stuff that's, well, it almost sent me flying, but Kurtis is a bit more of a controlled rider than I am, so let's see how he does. Yeah. He's got it. He did that so much nicer than I did. I came up, smashed into this rock where you can see it's all broken up, and just launched my front wheel and then twisted the...
I got some awesome footage.
Yeah? Worked?
Yeah, we'll see.
Walking down my...
Where was it?
It was upside down just there.
Wow, because I ran into a tree on the left.
Oh.
So,
It's bounced off it.
yeah. Hey, the gyro's still working.
Yeah, it's turned on still. I couldn't work out where the button was.
No, I've got no remote turn off. It's probably not turn off.
You guys coming down behind me? We are in this awesome little old quarry. Lots of flooded tracks and cool stuff going on. It looks like if it wasn't so wet recently, so much rain, this would actually have a fair few more tracks going through it. Oh, but given I didn't bring the jet ski today, oh, that is... My brother DJ's watching, we're bringing your truck here for a swim.
Money. Yeah.
Alright, so the plan is we're going to follow this road out, Goldmine Road, out of this quarry, up and about to Hellerton, Murphy's Creek, and then make our way up to Crow's Nest Falls. So we'll see what's out of it. Tip! Tip! What? As it is, there's thick rocks everywhere. We'll see where to get that close. Oh, this is fun. People been having fun up here too. It's a little tighter. Oh, the log to jump up too. Oh, this is the softest, emptiest bits. Woo! Oh,
I didn't expect it to be this.
Are you good?
Yeah. I didn't expect it to be this. I nearly gotcha.
So you start sliding, saw Michael sliding and went, oh, don't brake, don't turn, don't shift. Do you need a hand? I gotta say, I can put my bike down here.
I'll get out.
Alright. Look at that. I'm gonna chicken leg it because I don't feel like eating it. Whoa.
Well, it means I need to replace the handlebar.
Yeah, mine went the same. I did the same.
You got some spider webs hanging off here.
Well,
So the issue and reason I want to put new tyres on this bike, you see here the front's not too bad, but it's just when you get in this sloppiness, the tyre cakes over, and then you're basically running a bald tyre. So
I stood up, I just locked straight back with it.
I don't know how you didn't hit him, eh?
Yeah.
I was lucky, I just aimed for trees.
oh boy. Kind of just jumped off.
Yeah,
Survived. No damage to me.
good thing you got that bash plate, mate.
Yeah. I need a bash plate for the handlebars. Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Alrighty, check this place out. We're at the end of Goldmine Road or whatever it was. And it is just a big sandstone quarry that's apparently owned by the church. So, St. John's Cathedral Masonry Works. It's kind of crazy. Ugh. Just checking for damage and checking over the bikes. That is the end of this little run. Look, I'm probably actually going to end this video here. We might still go up to Crow's Nest, so I may end up picking it back up. But I'll see you then. I'll see you, and I won't include this part. But look, it's been a great ride. We had everything. There was snakes trying to attack us. There was rocks to jump up. There was sand, mud, water. My boots still aren't dry. Poor Kurtis had a fall and bent those bars, so we're all just organising because we've all got spare bars because we've all done the same. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bit different again today. I'm still trying to work out how I like filming and what I like making. I like making cool looking stuff, but filming, it's far easier to film with just a camera on the side of your helmet. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll be doing stuff.